Every year around the 4th of July, I have an argument with myself about whether or not to pretend to be excited about everyone else's excitement about the 4th of July. It's like being around a kid who's excited to go to Disney World and you say you could die on that ride. But I've decided to risk it and let you know the pros and cons of fireworks from an environmentalist perspective. They are pretty. Nope, nothing else. There are tiny metal particles in the firework. That's how we get the color. Blue is copper, which forms dioxins, which is cancer-causing. Red is strontium or lithium, which is known to impair a child's bone growth. Green or white is from barium, which causes gastrointestinal problems. And finally, potassium and aluminum are what propel the fireworks into the air. Aluminum has been linked to Alzheimer's. The EPA estimated that after fireworks, there's a spike of about 42% in the US of airborne particulates. The most polluted day of the year in the UK is their fireworks day, and in India, Diwali will cause some of the worst air pollution in the world. They are a fire hazard in most states. Dry because of drought plus burning embers is no bueno. Unburnt propellants can fall to the ground, which is a problem because it makes its way into our lakes and rivers. These perchlorates have been linked to our thyroid's ability to function. Fireworks are linked to a 30 to 40% increase in breathing problems. Many of the chemicals in fireworks are stubbornly persistent in the environment instead of breaking down, which is how they end up in the animals that we ingest. It seems like this wouldn't be a lot compared to industries that are constantly emitting, right? But studies have shown that levels of perchlorates in the environment are 1,000 times higher than baseline for up to 14 hours after a fireworks display. Plus, they scare the shit out of birds, cats, and dogs. The good news is researchers are trying to find a way to create propellants that don't use all these chemicals. So please enjoy your 4th of July and maybe try a barbecue where the only fireworks you see